Laying low, no place to go.
What? Is there anything I'm supposed to do for you?
Your pikin, he needs your help. He won't back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, and today I bring you another movie for the day. The name of the movie is The Breadwinner, and this movie stars Sandra Okunzuwa, Audrey Harrison, Chidi Dike, Emeka Darlington, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie is a very interesting one. I would give it to Sandra. This movie is a very interesting movie. It is mixed with a bit of comedy relief, and this movie is basically about a family with a very overprotective sister who they've seen the talent in this boy, in this young man, and they are trying by all means to harness this talent. But unfortunately, things didn't go as planned, and they found themselves in a, would I say, a rough situation that turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Now, for this movie, I have two basic lessons. First of all, God's blessings comes in ways we cannot predict. We might be all about positioning our lives to take certain turns, but God might just be like, okay, you don't need to take that particular turn you think. Just take this or that turn and you will still meet the same expectation and even more. Because from this movie, at the ending, the boy not only achieved his dreams, but his sister also got something on a platter of gold. I don't want to be a spoiler for this movie. I want you guys to go watch the movie. So I'm trying not to spoil it. I'm trying to be very distant with my words. I'm trying to be careful with my words. Now, the second lesson is to be a human first in every situation you find yourself. No matter what happens, no matter what position you find yourself, always remember to be a human being. Always remember to have human feelings, human sympathy in every situation you find yourself. Don't be an animal. Be a good person. Be a genuinely good person. Now, at this point, I want to say a big thank you to my 1,000 subscribers. Yes, yes, yes. We achieved 1,000 subscribers in a very short time. I am totally grateful for my subscribers. Please, guys, you guys should continue watching to the end. Please watch these videos till the end. Don't just watch the beginning points of the videos and leave the lessons. There are lessons you would learn from my videos. Please try and watch till the end. And also, you can watch this movie at Sandra Okunzuwa TV. I tried as much as possible not to call it at the beginning because most people, once they hear, okay, this is where you can watch the movie, they just skip out on the videos. So please head over to Sandra Okunzuwa TV and watch this very interesting video. Thank you so much. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.